is a this is a morse 1 taper. Somebody has marred up this thread here, so it's not too bad, but it's not great. And the problem with it is, it means that as you're winding this in so that you can put the small drill bits in here, it gets to somewhere about there, and then it's quite, that's it, stops there, that's it, that's all she wrote. Well, that went from being a fun little restoration of just an extra thing I needed to losing a spring. I have served high and low, and I have a nasty feeling that it has gone down there. Stupidly enough, I have a gap that goes to oblivion. It's gonna be alright. So my wife just came in and said, why don't you just cut a hole in the bottom of the cabinet? To which I was like, no, I want to go, because I'm a baby. Da, da, da. There it is. Awesome wife.
Awesome. Well, that was the first in, well, what could be a series of restoring crap in my workshop. Got a heap of things around here. Got 6 and a 7-inch post vise. Got to be done. If you like this video, subscribe. Tell me about it. Cheers.